Forgot that feeling. The sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest.
That is Emirates Palace. Sheikh is living there. That is the entrance of that palace.
Are here in Abu Dhabi, and we are at Conrad Etihad Towers by Hilton. Oh, I don't want to go on the beach. Here's our room. This is so pretty. And here's the bathroom. This was the beautiful view from our hotel room. Then we had a quick bite to eat and head upstairs to the second tower to the observation deck at 300. This is the highest point in Abu Dhabi. Here you can see the Arabian Gulf, you can see Emirates Palace, and you can see the mosque. It's an amazing view up here. After leaving observation deck at 300, we went over to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It is the largest mosque in the country. The design, the architecture is beautiful, and it can hold about 40,000 worshipers. If you are a woman planning to visit the mosque, make sure you wear clothing that covers your arms, legs, and a head covering. You can purchase one before you go in. We are in the mosque, the Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi. This mosque has 7 chandeliers that are made with millions of Swarovski crystals. Today we are over on Yas Island and at the WB Hotel. We decided to go into the amusement park. It is the largest indoor amusement park. In there we saw Wonder Woman, and then they had statues of different characters, so Cyborg, Flash, Batman, let's see, Superman, and many different characters that we love. Leaving Gotham City, heading to Cartoon Junction. Animation! Tom and Jerry, what they've been up to.
Let's split up and look for clues.
Looks like the professor has an extensive art collection. Swings out from there, then all we need is the bait.
Nuh-uh. Not me, man. Try asking Scoob. I will Scooby-Dooby-Doo it. Great, Scoob. You deserve a Scooby snack. Wait.
I found this last night.
Oh, Wilma, it's darling.
I can't wait to show it off.
When we got back to the hotel, Daffy Duck and Bugs Bunny were in the lobby. And of course, I had to take a picture because, childhood memories. WB Abu Dhabi. Some quick footage of a date night we did. We ate at the Directors Club restaurant. It was really good. I had the salmon, he had the steak. Service was great, and we definitely enjoyed ourselves. Can't wait to go back. Here on the left, you can see Ferrari World. We are at the top of the WB Hotel at their little rooftop bar, lounge, swim area. This is just a beautiful view of the skyline of Yas Island. Definitely add Abu Dhabi to your list of must-visit places. The morning view on Yas Island is amazing. We definitely enjoyed our time in Abu Dhabi and can't wait to return. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye!